So I decided I wanted to build myself a Magic Band reader. This is an Arduino ESP8266 with an RFID reader and a sound chip and a little display that actually connects over Wi-Fi to my home network, then connects to my automation system, home automation, using MQTT pub sub. And then Openhab can do special things. So I'm going to plug it in. See the things start to come up. It's going to check, get me a network connection, and then tell me it's ready.
Welcome, foolish mortals.
And if you've got a Magic Band, it sends the RFID ID tag to my home automation and tells me that it's one of mine. And if you have the right Magic Band, the tree comes to life. Merry Christmas, all.